And let's go look at this Hysteria Purple. Shout out to all the new and current subscribers. I appreciate you. If you've been rocking with the channel and you are part of the 74% that keeps coming back but hasn't hit that subscribe button yet, now is the time. It's completely free and it helps the channel more than you realize. I'm bringing you real ownership stories and content you won't find anywhere else. So hit that subscribe button and let's build something special together. What's up, everyone? You are on the C8s I've 252 show. Scroll down, click that subscribe button, become part of this awesome community. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of C8s I've 25 and a 2. And I want to thank each and every single one of you for pushing that play button today. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button anywhere on your phone, screen, or tablet. Because if you're looking at me right now, I'm looking at you. I need you to hit that button for me. Also hit that join member button as well. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate each and every single one of you that took the time out to do all of that. But today's video, we're going to talk about some beautiful Corvettes behind us. So let's get into it. We have a nice, beautiful red mist with some nice stripes down the middle. Now, I'm not going to touch any of these cars because these are customer cars and not General Motors cars. But I want to show you guys some beautiful builds and beautiful specs to give you guys some ideas just in case you're in the market for a new Corvette in the future. You can kind of look at these and get some imagination stuff going and start building them. So you have the Corvette logo at the top of here, which is really, really nice. I like the all natural dip interior. This is a 3LT package with the GT2 seats. Definitely a 2025 or older because it has the great wall of buttons. They have a nice set of wheels on here as well. The low wing spoiler. So if you take a look at this build, it is really beautiful. They have the front splitter on here as well with the body color. They have body color mirrors. Again, this is a Stingray body colored boomerang. Now we take a step back. We have a beautiful, is this an E-Ray? Yep, E-Ray. We got the E-Ray wheels right here. This is also red mist. Black mirrors. Black boomerang. E-Ray. Duck wing spoiler. Convertible. Black nacelles. Black top. Dark, dark, dark tint windows. This is also tinted as well. It has red stitching in the inside. I can't really see what seats, GT2 seats for sure, because I can see the carbon fiber inside the GT2 seats. They have the body colored front splitter as well. Pretty looking build. I like it. We have a C6 Corvette. Nice, good looking yellow. They got yellow accents in the wheels as well. Dark tinted windows, black roof. You want a chance to win yourself a beautiful Corvette C8? Well, here's your opportunity. Enter into the drawing right now. All right, listen up. This is huge. Lance Miller, yes, the host of Corvette and Call Out, is doing something incredible. He's giving away a 2026 Corvette Z01 with the ZTK package, one of the most insane Corvettes ever built. But this isn't just about winning a car. Lance Miller lost his father to amyloidosis, a disease that often goes undiagnosed until it's too late. This giveaway is his way of giving back, funding research, raising awareness, and literally saving lives. So when you enter, you are not just buying tickets. You are helping families, you are helping doctors detect it sooner, you are helping save lives. And any amount helps, every ticket matters. To enter, click the link down in my pinned comment section or scan the QR code on the screen. Click Donate Now to enter, and my discount code CGSPEED50 is already applied for you. Pick how many tickets you want, enter your name, click Continue, and just like that, you have made a difference in so many people's lives. You could win a 2026 Z01, and no matter what, you help save their lives. Black roof, National Corvette Museum, and there we are with our C6 Corvette. Now the C8 Corvette, no front splitter at all. Nice wheels with red calipers, black mirrors, black roof, also transparent roof because I can see inside the car. We have a coupe and regular engine cover. No rear spoiler at all. Black wheels. 2025 and older, great wall of buttons, GT2 seats, white stitching, really beautiful spec. We have a C7 Corvette Grand Sport, red calipers, black wheels, black front splitter, Grand Sport, black side skirts. This car is all blacked out. Look at that. Other than the paddle shifters in inside that are red. This is a beautiful build. On to the next one. We have a lot of red mist today. Red mist, GM factory front splitter, red stripe, natural dip, ZR1, exterior purple, monster wing on it. It's a father and son. He just took delivery of it in a museum. Man, beautiful, beautiful build. We have a convertible, black nacelles, black roof, Z51 wing. This is a Z51 build. You can see it on the calipers, factory wheels. And this is again a 2025 older because it has a great wall of buttons, GT2 seats, and we like it. Another red mist, Z06, aftermarket wheels, it is red calipers, black mirrors, convertible hard top with the duck wing spoiler. I cannot see in the inside, but it is a 2025 or older because I actually see a little bit. And it's GT2 seats with red seat belts. Really, really nice build. Another red mist. And we have black front splitter, aftermarket wheels, black calipers, hard top convertible. Inside I see GT2 seats at a minimum. Yep, GT2 seats, 2025 or older, great wall of buttons. No real spoiler at all. They just went with the sleek look, which a lot of people actually do like. Now we got a Grand Sport, C6 Grand Sport, chrome wheels, which you don't see often. Front splitter, which is black. Rag top convertible, dark tinted windows, Grand Sport. If anyone who's watching this video, tell me what color this is. I would love to know, because it's not red mist. As you can see, these are two different colors. Now we have the black C8 Corvette, no front splitter, black calipers, black mirrors, GT1 seats with white stitching. This is a 2026 or newer because you have the 2026 interior. The cup holders that are not covered with the 3 screens as well. This is a coupe. You can see the motor in the back, regular engine cover. This car also went with no spoiler, so a sleek kind of look. And they have the red stripe and the wheel. And that is this beautiful C8 build. Now we come over here. We have a beautiful blue Corvette, factory front splitter, aftermarket wheels, as red calipers. You see the hash marks right here on the side as well. Stingray. Have the dark tinted windows, but from this angle, it is a 2025 or older because you can see the great wall of buttons. GT2 seats. We have a coupe with the beautiful engine bay. This is beautiful and nicely well done. You have the high wing spoiler on the back. Looks really good. With the exhaust tips that are aftermarket as well. Pretty clean build. Looks really nice. We have a C6 Grand Sport. Black chrome wheels, dark tinted windows. I like it. C4 Corvette. Red, nice. They took the top off, letting the car get a little breeze today. I totally understand that. We have another Corvette C6, chrome wheels. So again, tell me what color this is down in the description below. We have a rapid blue C8 Corvette. This is definitely a 25 or older because this color is no longer available. And there is a ZR1 convertible stars in steel. Look at that. ZR1X actually. Beautiful. And this car has GT1 seats, great wall of buttons, convertible hardtop, black nacelles, low wing spoiler, red calipers, and black wheels. Wow, nice spec. Let's go and get the ZR1X stars in steel while we're over here. $250. The man of the hour.
The half hour.
The half hour.
For an hour.
Man, this is a beautiful car.
Isn't it?
Beautiful, beautiful car. Mr. Tim?
It's Mr. Tim's car.
Sweet.
He's hit the Chevy 7R, so
Nice.
I told him I didn't mind.
And you didn't mind taking it out, huh? It's a good car. It's a good car. See ya. And let's go look at this Hysteria Purple ZR1 Monster Wing. Carbon fiber wheels, edge red calipers, carbon fiber right here, carbon fiber on the roof, black nacelles, convertible, monster wing. Actually, both cars, this ZR1 and that ZR1X are both convertibles. So it must be a really popular thing when this comes to this, but they're like, we don't need to see the engine. We see it, we got it. We want the convertible hard tops. 2026 interior with carbon fiber on the inside, GT3 seats. So they went with an 3LZ package. Yep, they went with a 3LZ package. Looks really nice. Chris and Carter White, because I believe the son and father built this motor together, which is awesome father and son experience. Front splitter that's in carbon fiber, and front lip that is also in carbon fiber with black mirrors. Sweet, sweet ride. I like it a lot. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed any one of these builds. Leave your comments down below on which build you would prefer. If you was building a car, which build you like the most. And give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button on one of your phone, screen, or tablet. And also, hit that join member button if you would love to do so. And I will see you next episode of Seek on a Speed 252. We're out.
Mm-hmm.